You know what? I'd give the game 20 out of 10. You know, like you can click on the cookie and you get more cookies and more cookies. The only thing we need is an image so that the cookies are cookies and not anything else. You know, it didn't change the game much. Like, so at first I needed to create the upgrade buttons, which I luckily recorded, and I also wanted to give the cookie some movements by creating an icon to show when you clicked it. So here are the clips. Now that that's out of the way, I had to start coding the first upgrade button. So this is my idea. We could make as you can see here, I was clearly having a problem. I did not know what could be the first upgrade you could get. So I started thinking, and after some time, I thought we could create an oven. And this is what happens next.
That helps you.
Find your way into this wonderland. Cross the maze, the dark, the innocent. Chase the faith, the thrill, the heaven sent. I got you wild, upside down. The labyrinth will guide you far away to a place where senses will decay. Your ghostly mind will shadow
Yeah, we have an oven. You see how we have an oven? We have an oven. Now let's make it so that you can buy as many ovens as you want. Yeah. Well, yeah, it kind of works. By the way, this is the first time I speak properly because I am using scripts. But that's not it. If you want to see how this game creation continues, I will be streaming on my Twitch, which is down in the description. And also, I think that this is how my schedule will go. 3 videos each week and 1 stream each Sunday. Thank you for watching, and I see you later. Bye.